Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Myself, Nosheen Ansari. Today's my topic is Essay on Islam. It contains more than 500 words. I hope you will like it, so let's get started. Islam. Islam is the second largest religion in the world. Islamic faith says that there is one and only supreme power, Allah. Muslims do not believe in idol worship. They perform their prayers on a mat. According to Islamic teachings, followers says that peace be upon him. They show their respect to their prophet by reciting this several times. Muslims pray in mosque or masjid. Mosques are recognized as single dome buildings. The prayers are recited on loudspeaker in mosque. The person who used to announce the prayer terms in mosque is called muezzin. Islamic faith says that the announcement should be loud enough to reach their Almighty. Muslims pray in the directions of Holy Mecca. It is officially stated that Islam is one of the fast growing religions across the world. As per Islamic beliefs, the Quran is considered the base of humankind. They said that Quran teachings must be shared and spread all over the world. There are two important teachings of Islam, Sunnah and Hadith. Sunnah is the collection of Prophet Muhammad's life, and Hadith is the collection of the conversation that Muhammad said. They believe there will be a day of judgment and life after death. A central idea in Islam is jihad, which means struggle. While the term has been used negatively in mainstream culture, Muslims believe it refers to internal and external efforts to defend their faith, although rare this can include military jihad if a just war is needed. Muhammad is called the father of Islamic religion. The religion was originated in the 7th century when Prophet Muhammad traveled from Mecca and Medina. Islam is a rapidly growing religion in the world as the birth rate and conversions to the religion are highest among all other religions of the world. Islam is from the Abraham's family religions. It is somehow connected with Judaism and Christianity. Islam religion is based on the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Followers of Islam are called Muslims. They pray in mosque and any other clean place. They pray 5 times a day. After Muhammad's passing, Islam began to spread rapidly. A series of leaders known as caliphs become successors to Muhammad. This system of leadership, which was run by a Muslim ruler, became known as a caliphate. The first caliph was Abu Bakr, Muhammad's father-in-law and close friend. Abu Bakr died about 2 years after he was elected and was succeeded in 634 by Caliph Umar, another father-in-law of Muhammad. When Umar was assassinated 6 years after being named Caliph, Uthman, Muhammad's son-in-law, took the rule. Osman was also killed and Ali, Muhammad's cousin and son-in-law, was selected as the next caliph. During the reign of the first 4 caliphs, Arab Muslims conquered large regions in the Middle East, including Syria, Palestine, Iran, and Iraq. Islam also spread throughout areas in Europe, Africa, and Asia. As per Islamic beliefs, there are 5 pillars of Islam. For an Islam devotee, these pillars are considered as the base of his or her life. Number 1. Tawheed, faith. The concept of faith in Almighty is one of the bases of Islam. It says that believing Allah above all other entities in the real faith of Muslims. Number 2. Salat prayers. Muslim prays 5 times a day. This 5 times namaz recitation is called salat. It is one of the important bases of Islam religion. Number 3. Zakat charity. Islamic beliefs state that affluent Muslims must donate their 1/4 part of earning to poor and needy ones. This act of charity is also a base of Islam. Number 4. Psalm fasting. Islamic beliefs state that fasting during Ramadan is a must for every devotee. Number 5. Hajj pilgrimage to Mecca. Islamic most religious pilgrimage Mecca is one of the Islamic religious bases. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.